Creating Smart Lists in HubSpot. Welcome to this tutorial on creating Smart Lists in HubSpot, a powerful tool for managing your sales and marketing data. In this video, we'll show you how to set up and use Smart Lists to streamline your workflow and make data-driven decisions. To get started, let's first understand what Smart Lists are. Smart Lists are customizable lists that allow you to filter and prioritize your data based on specific criteria. They're incredibly useful for identifying high-potential leads, tracking customer interactions, and optimizing your sales pipeline. To create a smart list in HubSpot, start by navigating to the Contacts or Companies tab, depending on your needs. From there, click on the Lists button and select Create List. Choose the type of list you want to create, such as a smart list, and give it a name. Next, define the criteria for your smart list. This can include things like company size, industry, job title, or even specific keywords. You can also use HubSpot's advanced filtering options to create complex criteria. Once you've defined your criteria, click Save to create your smart list. You can then use this list to filter and prioritize your data, making it easier to identify opportunities and close deals. Smart lists are just one of the many powerful features in HubSpot. By leveraging these tools, you can take your sales and marketing efforts to the next level and achieve greater success. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more HubSpot tutorials and tips. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative, and we'll see you in the next one.